What's up, YouTube? Back again with another one. As you can see, this is a review on the Red Ryder pump action rifle BB gun. Got this thing a few years ago. It's a little dirty, but it'll work. As you can see, these are my little BBs. These are little BBs, steel BBs, and I'm also going to be comparing this gun to Colt dual handgun BB guns, which is a different type of BBs. As you could see, I moved the camera and I have the Red Ryder loaded. Let's go. I'm aiming towards that box. Now for the next gun. For this one, I'm just gonna be using the just one gun, 3 BBs. Now let's see the results. Clearly the Red Ryder has better targeting because it's a long range, but the little handguns are a little bit more higher or something like that. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Please, it'll help a lot. See you guys later.